Today we're going to be having a look at these VESTA crystal ball lights. So this is an incomplete set of VESTA crystal ball lights, or crystal ball set. These are very old lights, I would say 60s. Nice that they came in the box. Nice little bit of Christmas tree branching coming off there. Empire made. Not a very distinct voltage range, 200 to 250. 16 to 20 watt. I'm guessing that depends on if it's running on 200 or 250. Bulbs though, 12 volt 1 watt. This set will stay alight even if one or more bulbs fail. Replace defectives immediately, avoid overloading. I wonder if they came with fuse bulbs back then. That gives you an idea of what the set of lights looks like. Little bulb holder with a bayonet fit. This set is fitted with permanent contact bulbs. If one bulb fails, the remainder will stay alight, providing the cap of the defective bulb remains screwed in. Oh, okay. So they will screw in. Indoor use only. Box is absolutely mint. Nothing on the other side. Now this is an incomplete set. It's just the shades, which you could say is the most important part. So it's a complete set of 20 shades, but as you can see, not all the colours are present. So we've got 4 blue, 4 green, we've got 1 pink and 3 clear, 1 yellow or orange and 3 clear, and 2 red and 3 clear. So I think with coloured bulbs in, I don't think it'll make too much of a difference. The shades are rather interesting design. This is that crystal pattern. They look like they do come apart, but I don't really want to force the issue because they're so old. They've got air holes in the sides. They're going to get some good refraction. Right, take 2. I was waffling on for 5 minutes and realised I hadn't pressed record. But either way, different filming location, and we'll carry on talking about this set of lights. Got pictures for these lights in the archive. They are very similar looking to Noma lights. The design of the bulb holders and the braiding, they are screw in. They're a really interesting set of lights when lit up. Still undetermined on the age of the lights. The box suggests something very early 60s, but maybe that was just their design and it run through to the 70s, because I've not seen anything newer from VESTA over the years. I think their heyday or their line of products ended in the 70s. If anybody has any additional information on that, please let us know below. Anyway, as we were talking about, we do have a complete set, and we can make up the missing colours using clear shades with coloured bulbs. Now we just need a set of lights to go on, and one of the best replacements I could think of was Noma, because they look very similar. And if you watched last week's video, you probably know what's coming up. We've got these Noma fairy lights. Did a video on them last week. Check out that video up here, where we have a little run through of the design variants that Noma had on these. And these are extremely similar to what the original string looked like on the crystals, if you saw the pictures earlier on in this episode. Let's have a little look and see what the fitment is like. Oh, that one came with the bulb. There's a lot of overpaint. I didn't spot that on last week's video. That's rough. Weird. So that goes back in there, and then we've got bayonet fit and bayonet fit. No slop, like it was meant to be. So we'll get all these shades off and we'll get the crystal shades on and see what it looks like. Now we've had a little bit of a breakage here. I wasn't trying to take these apart, but since it's popped, we might as well have a look. Not a great place for them to have their join in between the bulb holder itself. It'd be better around this area here. Well, here we go. So it's got two locating posts. There's one here and there's one. Actually, there's a locating post on each half and a hole on each half, so they can only go one way. This is quite substantially thick inside. I don't think the camera quite picks up how thick that is. So, although they don't feel that heavy, they are quite substantial. So let's hope that doesn't pop off again. We'll get back to putting these on. Okay, that's them done. Right, let's see what VESTA crystal ball lights look like lit up. And they're not too bad. Some of the colours are a little bit mismatched on the previous set anyway, but we're going to fix all that with fresh coats of bulb paint, so there'll be another follow-up video to this one. Where's the fuse bulb? That's in this one here. So the fuse bulb's in this red one at the moment, but that will be relocated. Great refraction. In fact, I think the lights deserve to go off. Look at that. Disco, 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 disco. So here's our pink. Great refraction, it's really, really good. The last few videos we've done on lights, we've had some of the best refraction I think this channel's ever seen. With the Pifco party lights, they were fantastic. We've got a yellow bulb, wow. And there's more of an orange colour. Now, on camera, this is coming up as really, really blue, but to me, it's quite green. It's like the bulb is quite faded and almost coming out white with a little bit of tinge of yellow, and I think that's due to the age of the plastic of the crystal balls and the condition of the lamp. Green. And then got red. At least we've got them. Right, where are you going? You get back on there and you stay there. So, got them going. So this is what a set of VESTA crystal ball lights look like, or crystal ball set lights look like lit up. This is a very worn and mismatched example, but we're going to fix that. We're going to get all the colours fixed and make them look a lot better. The bulb paint will help differentiate the colours because we've got a lot of clear shades, but even though there are a lot of clear shades on there, you can't really tell too much, but we'll fix that. Yes, they are not a 100% original set of lights anymore because they don't have the original VESTA string. I don't think I have any plain VESTA screw-in strings of lights, but these Noma push-in bulb holders, they'll work perfect for my needs, and I think this might be one of the first videos of these lights on YouTube. We'll have to have a little look and see if anybody else has got them. If they have, I'll put a link to their video in the description below. But stick around, we'll do a little bit of magic with these and try and tidy them up a bit. And until then, I'll catch you on the next one.